Good morning, YouTube. Yeah, I haven't done a video for a while, so I thought I'd give you an update. Just giving the dog a morning walk. I can get out and about a bit more now. As you probably know, I've had well, it's been a busy couple months since November, maybe even longer than that. We've moved house from a 2-bed to a 3-bed, and it needed a lot of renovation, needed a lot of work. The people left it in a bit of a state. Wallpapers were horrid, and the flooring, which we wanted to change and put carpet down. And then 2 days after we moved, I got a letter from the doctors to say I've got an appointment for my knee operation. I've had problems with my knee for quite a while, probably a good 2 years, maybe a little bit longer. I had a meniscus tear, so they've repaired it now, and something they call a saucerization, which I'm not completely sure what it's to do with. So I've had to have a walk with crutches, which has been a pain, and a knee brace. So now I'm off the crutches. I don't need the crutches. I do take them with me if I go on long journeys, just in case. So now just a knee brace. As you've probably seen in one of my videos I went up to, I don't know if it was Greatness Tour in Dartmoor, and I aggravated my knee again. But yeah, that's all done. So now I'm just walking with the knee brace, and on the 22nd, so 2 weeks time I think, or just over 2 weeks, I can have the brace removed, or I can remove the brace and hopefully walk unaided. With the knee brace, it's so restricted. I think I could do better without the knee brace, but there we go. But yeah, I thought I'd go have a little walk, just give the dog a walk. Dog didn't get out much. But I've been doing things behind the scenes, as you say. Got a new bit of equipment for my camping, just to get a bit better footage. I've tried it out. Yeah, I've tried the equipment out, and can't wait to use it when camping. Yeah, it'll be a lot better. So, but that's my update really. But can't wait to get this knee brace off. I've had physio, and I've got a couple more physio appointments. One next week, I think it is, and 4 more after that. 4 more appointments. Get my knee moving again. But yeah, I've lost a lot of muscle in my leg as well, so I need to build that up. Start going to the gym a bit more. Do some light leg exercises, build my leg up. But I have got a planning to go camping next week, and hopefully, if weather is okay, and then I've got a camping trip or camping planned for next Saturday. So not this, I think it was the 17th. I'm going camping again with a mate of mine again, as you probably know, Sam. He's been in a couple of my videos. We've had a lot of ice these past couple of days. No snow, but we are promised some snow on the 17th, according to Sam. So hopefully it'll be a nice winter snow count. I was going to use my GoPro, but I did charge it all up. I found it, dusted it all off. It was hid away in one of my boxes. Come on, Margot. Yeah, I did dust it all off, charged it all up, ready to give you a bit of an update. And I can't find it again. I think one of the children moved it or something, the usual. So I've had to use my phone, which I'm not used to. But, so that's it. Giving you a little update. That's all I can say really. But so bear with me, and I should be doing a camp next week. All goes well. I'll leave you a bit of footage I did the other morning. I drove to a spot called Knowlton Church. So I'll leave you this footage. It's a bit long-winded, but yeah, keep following, and I promise I'll give you some more camping videos from the people that actually do watch and follow. All right, thanks for watching.